So this is the day after I painted, and I'm beginning to notice a few connections in my own surrounding. Okay, so first of all, um, I noticed paint on the light switch, which means that I did clean my hands, but somehow it ended up black paint on the light switch. If you compare this to the rainbow that is broken, you see, a rainbow requires light. So, wait a moment. So it's just an interesting coincidence that um, I yeah, that paint appeared on the light switch, black paint. And I did clean my hands. I did do all of this, but still. Um, so there is a logical connection here that I'm noticing. I'm noticing that. Actually, when I started painting this, when I was thinking in my head how to paint this, and I I didn't plan to have a rainbow. Like um, that's so weird that like when I planned to paint this painting, I actually didn't plan to have a rainbow. I planned to have it a bit differently with colors, but it became a rainbow that broke, and then black color on the light switch, which, you know, a bit weird to me, but okay, sure. Paint, I missed some paint on my hands, I guess, right? But I did. I thought I took the paint away from my hands, but okay. So these funny connections are small. It's these small connections, but they are still important, you know. So yeah, just wanted to say. So there's a longer video yesterday of me painting and talking about the painting process and how I was thinking and so on. And yeah, see you.